focusing the camera on me. Mom. Hey, guess what, Nika? We have a long-lost mother. Hey, Mom. Mom, my mom's filming the video. Hey, Nika, remember our long-lost mother?
Oh, yeah. I remember. Sweetie, come to me. Wait, why am I saying that to a bird?
Her right here. See, look. It's her right here. She's alive.
That is a bird in a nest.
No, it ain't. Come on, go. Come on. Come on.
Oh, ow.
All right, you guys stop fighting.
Be quiet, you bird.
Okay, stop.
Stop it, I have to make breakfast. Getting me off track.
Let's get that.
Breakfast is ready. Aldo, breakfast is ready.
Oh, thanks for all of your... Wait, what happened to all my food?
Oh, this is your food. This is mine. Oh, that was so good. It's been a while since we've had that long of food.
Yeah.
Well,
a while.
time to go hunting. Get your stick.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to hunt for you.
No!
Well, you're the only person with